Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope so you all will be fine. Let's move on to our higher time frame Bitcoin update. Let's move on to our monthly first, and then we're gonna come down to our weekly, daily, and the lower time frames. So first of all, on the monthly time frame, we had a very good closure on October, almost like 28% gains on this candle, and a very good closure above the previous major level of support and resistance. But this does not mean we are entering the bull market. To be honest, just have a look over here. Have a look over here. We're gonna make a clean diagonal resistance. The previous closure was still within this resistance. Like the resistance, this is one of the major resistance because the Bitcoin closed over here twice before going towards the new all-time high. So looking at that level, I think so we have just swept that, and what we're gonna do is we are just sweeping these highs. Sweep these highs, come back, and boom. So on the higher time frame, I think so this is highly possible that we might come back down. That might be due to some FUD or some exchange running out, or maybe something else. But to be honest, technical says so I'm gonna stick with the technicals. Also, we have a very big FEG on the monthly time frame over here, so that might be the local top, so make sure you guys should not FOMO into the Bitcoin chart after looking at this monthly closure, because we're gonna see a lot of dips in the coming weeks, probably within this month. And I think so yeah, we will close, it will come back down and we'll close back towards above these levels. Like we'll close like something like this one, but that will be in red, just because the technical says so. So then we're gonna move on to our weekly time frame. The weekly says so we are currently making some of the major highs. Let's make a clear range low, range high. We're gonna make it to range. So we spend a lot of time over here as well. So why we can't spend a lot of time over here? So this is basically your clear range until and unless now $31,000 level holds. I'm a buyer over here. Until this level holds. And if this goes back below, we're gonna definitely look for 25s, 24s. So the thing is to play the chart. Like we're gonna play up this chart looking to buy 31k, 32k, and even on the lower time frame I'm looking to buy 33k as well. Like these levels, these lows of 33k, I'm definitely going to buy that as well for the lower time frame. But this does not matter, we are invalidating our high time frame plan. So what's the plan? The plan is simple. We're gonna see a rejection from these levels. Yeah, this is the plan. Now the next thing on the daily time frame. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm gonna make you guys look at total market. First, we made range number 1 over here, right? We made range number 1 over here. Highs, lows taken out, went back, highs taken out, came back to 0.5. And you guys can see over here. Oh my goodness. So look at this. Range high being swept. We might spend some time over here, make some new highs above the box, and 0.5 might come next. So you guys can see what's actually happening on the chart. Now we're gonna move on to our Bitcoin. Same thing. I just want to see reaction over these levels, and I'm not buying over here. You guys know we bought here. Yeah, we bought here. We bought even here, but not gonna buy over here at all. We're gonna look for some more price action coming back down towards $32,000 levels, $31,000 levels, and we'll look that if the price holds that or the price goes back below this, and we just wait for the deeper pullbacks. So on the lower time frame, let's move on to our daily time frame. This is not bullish, to be honest. Why this is not bullish? Look at this. We made highs right over here. We made highs over here. The first highs were these ones. We closed above these. So what is the higher possibility? Bullish means this. Bullish does not mean this. So try to understand that $1,000 pump cannot invalidate our bearish scenario. So just have a look over here how the tops are being made. Like this. Like this. Daily FEG. Have we filled our previous daily FEGs? Yes, we did. Yes, we did. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna buy our first area over here, sell over here, wait for here, buy, stops close, TP higher. This is just your plan, right? If this stops me out, I'm gonna lose -1 hour, and if this makes, I'm gonna make 3 to 4 hours. So this is the plan for the next buying. Until that, I'm silent. Yeah, I'll buy over here for the scalps, we'll sell over here, back on the range highs like over here, what actually happened over here. So this is the plan on the daily time frame. Let's move on to our 4-hour time frame. This seems bullish, not the daily. This seems bullish for some amount of time. Some more consultations over here. This is what I see on the 4-hour time frame. Why I'm seeing a lot of bullish, a lot of bearish things is pretty simple. Bitcoin halving is a clear narrative that Bitcoin will go upside, but it should not go like this. It never went like this. So all the times you will have a bigger flash backside to liquidate all the longers, to remove all the spot positions, and then it will move back towards upside. So you guys need to learn about the psychology happening in the charts. So we have clear range high, range low perspective over here. This is what I'm seeing, to be honest. Not right now. Once we came back below 35.1k, I'm gonna open some shorts targeting these levels. So this is the plan. Don't short right now. Oh lol. I'm just gonna tell you guys that just try to. Holds back, long over here. We haven't taken any long, but what I'm looking for longs is go back above, so these highs come back, long over here. This is the plan to long, and to short, this is the plan to come back below range lows. So this is the plan on the BTC, on the higher time frame, lower time frame. Let's move on to some of the alts we are already in, like LDO. Like we are in the LDO, right? Yeah, we are long on LDO. Stops are already at break even, so we have a sweep of these highs. We want to see the price going back above like this, because we have an FEG over here. But looking at the ranging perspective, range lows, range highs swept, we might see a break even back. But alright, we have already booked almost like half, yeah, more than half, because TP1 was also executed along with our 50% bookings. And some of the other altcoins like Solana is just trying to remove all the shortage before coming back down. So I think so on the higher time frame we made the size, yeah. So yeah, what I think so on Solana is, in my opinion, might sweep these highs, take out all the shorters over here, come back to weekly time frame FVG, go back to our high time frame FVG. So might be good buying zone again below 30, and this is definitely one of the major altcoin that's currently trending, and I don't think so it's wise to enter over here to look for the sweeps. So just make sure, just wait for the buying ranges. And you guys remember that it was on $21 and went back towards $18. Everyone was saying that it's going to $0, and I clearly written on the Discord, but unfortunately I didn't took any position on this one. Yeah, I have spot bags from like January, yeah, when we bought on the Bitcoin, or maybe before that. Yeah, I have spot bags, something around average entry of 17, 18, maybe $19. And those are not for selling over here, those are just for the long term. Just very small amount I have in my Trust wallet. Lol, MetaMask got dropped. So some other altcoins we can look at. LTC is back again at the resistance. We shorted this last time. Back at resistance, or a lot of BNB. Oh my goodness, I'm not gonna trade this. ADA. Oh, try it. Hello my friend, what's up? Price. Come on. I remember a lot of people just sold it. Yeah, I remember a lot of people just sold it around $2.8. I was looking at my bag shrinking, and they were saying that this is going back towards the $1 because Qcoin was having a fight about this unlisting, and it was a clear we bought it at $2.6. I remember when everyone was bearish. They were saying Qcoin is delisting this coin and this is gonna go towards backside. So it's still up 43%. I'm still looking on the higher time frame as $5 and even more, yeah, even more over to 10, 20, 30, 40, $50, yeah. And the next coin, let's move on. Ethereum, yeah. Ether looks bullish, to be honest. Ether looks bullish. Why this looks bullish to me? Because there are a lot of short positions on Ethers already going on from some whales, and their liquidations are around $2,000 levels. So 2,000 for one Ether is probably possible. ICP dead coin, XRP. On the weekly time frame, a lot of altcoins are still making their lower highs. I don't know why a lot of people are just saying that we are missing the bull run. On the weekly time frame, like, look at this. This motherfucker just did the sweep of previous lower highs. People getting bullish. Might even do something like this, like fucking this. Yeah, that will be funny. SXP, a lot of coins are dead, bro. SXP, look at this. Blow the ISO prices, oh my goodness. AXS, that shit, man. Dot. Yeah, this was one of the top gainer of our previous cycle. Yeah, look at this. This shit is dead, man. And Link. Holy moly, yeah, we oh my goodness, it's almost like at $12. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to flex this out right now after the stream. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this trade in our special Discord group. Nice. I'm just gonna make a chart over here. Okay, I'll be posting later. So one of my best trades. Link. You guys remember our TP2 was $12 and we have something of our midterm back as well. Bell TIB. Oh my goodness. Let's look at this chart. This motherfucker is just going and going. Look at this. Holy shit, man. Some of the altcoins like these are completely manipulated. You guys cannot basically catch up the moves on these ones because only 3 or 4 wallets are just pumping the coin, and you guys literally don't know when they're going to dump back. Yeah, so etc. Actually, a lot of these coins, why I'm not taking a lot of trades is because a lot of these coins are currently in these phases. Like, a lot of coins are like in these phases, like they are over here. We can just get one move back towards upside and then we're gonna see a deeper pullback. So I don't want to hold some positions when price start doing this. So that's why I'm not in a lot of altcoins. Yeah, I'm taking some limited altcoins, booking profits where I think so it's wise to book back because the BTC dominance is just doing weird shit, man. 57% is coming next. So this is the plan. I guess I have already checked total. So any other altcoin? Some people ask about DYDX. Yeah, DYDX is yeah. For example, let's look at charts like this. What actually happens here? Goes back, makes one more. I'm not trading this, but just letting you know, guys, that makes something like this. People turn bullish at no retest, and then it comes back to retest the ranges as well as the diagonal trend line, and then moves back towards upside. So this is the plan on Bitcoin. Some altcoins, AVAX. On the higher time frame, honestly, this coin looks like this is not going to make it. What I want to see over here is currently I think so it's going for $13.7, $13.8. Then might get a sweep retrace. Not looking for 20 plus for now on the AVAX. And some of the other altcoins, let's look at Woo, one of my favorite coin. Let's fucking going. Yeah, and this is my plan from 21 December, almost like from December 2022 when we bought at these levels. This was our plan, that the coin will go back at TP1 here, then will retrace almost like 78% or 80%, and it actually did, and now going back towards upside. Now we just want to clear out these highs at $0.32, and then we're gonna go boom straight 5x. So this is the, I'm not gonna remove my whole chart. I'm still having the same chart from year almost here. After that we're gonna go higher. So one of the best coin I hold for the long term is Woo. Yeah, I think so it's enough for today's video. Like almost 20 minutes are gone. Matic, I guess trader SC have left shorting him, so this still doesn't look pretty bullish because look at this. What we guys can see over here, this was our monthly FEG that was taken out. Yeah, this was our monthly FEG, swept a bit higher, taken out. Now we are again at the previous lower blocked candle. So probably some more chop between the increase of highs and increase of lows. Slowly grinding back up. Some red weeks, some more chop, touch back, retrace. So a lot of altcoins on the higher time frames are still below their previous lower highs. So this does not mean that you guys are missing everything. Ethereum dominance, obviously exactly different, exactly irrespective or the negative against Bitcoin dominance. So a little more towards the downside and back. So I'm gonna take some positions on alts once we retag over here. First time we sweep high, like look at this. How does the range plays? Sweep highs, 0.5 levels, retest, and move not the retest over here. Sweep highs, retest the FEGs, sweep lows. Now next, went back up, took the range highs, remained over that levels. Now take something a little sweep like this one and go back towards here and here. So this is how we play the range. So this is the level where you're gonna buy some of the altcoins. So this was the update on Bitcoin, some of the other altcoins. Hopefully we will execute everything together. Let's move on to our Twitter for some more updates. And thank you guys. It was a good time sharing some updates with you all. Thank you everyone.